Hi, my name is Veronica with mywigglesandgiggles.com, and I'd like to share with you how to order Diaper Genie replacement parts. So a lot of the times when you order your Diaper Genie, they may insert a little packet that kind of gives you a form already to fill in for replacements whenever you're ready. For whatever reason, if yours doesn't come with that, or maybe you've misplaced it or lost it, you can go to your Babies R Us or your local baby store, and they usually will have replacements there for you. If you're looking for the online option, Diaper Genie has their own website that you can go to for replacements itself, and that may be easy for you to just deliver to your home if you don't want to leave your home. If not, you can definitely just visit your local store. I think Target, Walmart, like I said, or your Babies R Us will definitely have those replacements for you.